Yeah. She's all the car again.
Yeah, it's all a car again. Absolutely. So once there's probably 5 miles on it now.
How does the alignment feel? Reasonably close? You're not struggling driving it?
No. You let go of the wheel, it goes straight.
Oh.
Even though the wheel's like this, a touch off, it don't matter. I let go of the steering wheel on Mountain Road. It was going perfectly fine. It didn't try to pull me, twist me, or rock me.
Smells like a new car.
Yeah, I hope that's not antifreeze.
No, it smells like a new car. It smells like possibly the paint on the manifolds with the coating.
You know what?
You use the same stuff we did.
Yeah, it smells like, I don't know. It does smell like that.
It smells like the engine paint baking on.
Yeah, but there's 4 hours on this motor. In the garage.
Right.
By then, it should have did what it did.
Isn't that paint amazing? I put that on the Shelby and like 10 years later, it's still fine.
Oh yeah, it's great stuff. I readjusted the clutch. It's much better, but I still got it. The brakes got better. I still got it running.
Wow. Every last little thing. Now it looks like a 1-year-old car.
You know that urethane clear 2 hours in the bake room at 165 degrees.
Yeah.
You can wet sand and buff it out 2 hours after you painted the car.
Wow. That's single stage?
No.
Oh no, you said basically. I'm sorry.
And the other thing is 12-hour overnight stay where you can sand and rub it. Like I said, I'm not going to bother. Yeah, the tires are relatively plumb. Look how nice they look. Right?